Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared the following problem. If a plus b means a is a mother of b, a minus b means a is a brother of b, a percent b means a is a father of b, and a times b means a is a sister of b, which of the following shows that p is a maternal uncle of q. As usual, I recommend you to pause the video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So first of all, let's check answer A. So what do we see here? Q minus N. And according to a set of rules, A minus B means A is a brother of B. So according to this rule, we have to say that Q is a brother of N. Next, we have N, so let me use different color. N plus M, and this is this part. So if A plus B means A is the mother of B, so in this case N is a mother of N is a mother of M. And next we have M times P. This gives us let me see, here we are. This means that A is a sister of P. In our case, M is a sister of P. So basically, now we convert this abbreviation into words. Now what we need to do, we have to build a pedigree according to this word description. So again, Q is the brother of N. So brother means we have to put a box here. Brother of N. So let's connect these two people. We don't know the gender. Actually, in next line we know that N is a mother. So we have to put a circle here. So these two people are connected. So this person is Q. This person is N. And of course, for better understanding, these two people have mother and father, but we don't have any letters for them because they are not mentioned here. So next we know that N is a mother of M, and M is a sister. So N is a mother of M. Okay, so N should have a husband, and she is a mother of M. She is a mother of M. So this is, and M is a sister of P. So mother of M and M is a sister of P. So we put a circle. Sister of P. So we basically have to add P. But nothing is said about sex or gender of P. So this is person P. Okay, we have built our pedigree. Now let's return to our question. And question is, again, which of the following shows that P is maternal uncle of Q? And of course now you see that according to this pedigree, P cannot be maternal uncle of Q. Actually, Q is maternal uncle of P. So the first answer is wrong. Now let's check the second answer B. This time we have P plus S, and according to our problem, A plus B means A is the mother of B. So we can say that P, the first statement, is a mother of S. So this is first statement. Second statement, S times N, and this means A times B means A is a sister of B. So we can write that S is a sister of N. And next statement, N minus Q means A minus B. A is a brother of B. So in our case, N is a brother of Q. Now let's build a Punnett square. So P is a mother, so we use circle here to designate female, mother of S, and S is a sister, so he is a female P. She has a husband and she is a mother of S, and S is a sister, so also circle and S here, and S is a sister of N, and N is a brother of Q. So S is a sister of N, so sister of N, so N here. Why I put box here? Because N is a brother, so we put a box of Q. And let's now write a Q here. So we put this sign for Q, because sex of Q is not known. It can be female or male. So again, let's now return to our problem. Which of the following shows that P is maternal uncle of Q? And we have P, S, N, and I forget to put Q here. So Q, and let's check. So we have P, and again, which of the following shows P is a maternal uncle of Q? P is a mother of Q and not maternal uncle of Q. P is a mother of Q. So second variant is also wrong. Now let's check variant C. P minus M. A minus B means A is a brother of B. So P minus M means P is a brother of M. Next, so P, we had P and M. Next, let's check M and N. And what we see, A plus B means A is a mother of B. So M plus N means M is a mother of N. And next statement, N times Q. So A times B means A is a sister of B. So that means that N is a sister of Q. Now let's build pedigree. P is a brother, so we use a box for P. So this is going to be P. He is a brother of M, and M is a mother, so M is female. So we put her here. This is brother and sister. They also have parents. So P is a brother of M, so this is M. And M is a mother of N. M is a mother of N, and N is a sister. So M, she has a husband and she is a mother of N. And I put circle because N is a sister, so female, sister of Q. That means that N has another sibling whose sex is not specified, but we know that this person is Q. Now let's analyze. Again, which of the following shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q? And here is brother and sister has two children. So P would be maternal uncle of both child N and child Q. Again, which of the following shows that P is a maternal uncle of Q? P is a maternal uncle of Q. So, as you see, the correct answer is C. But you probably also want to check the answer D. Let's do it. Q minus S is the same as A minus B and means that A is a brother of B. In our case, Q is a brother of S. S times P, S percent P means that A is a father of B. So S is a father of P. Q is a brother. So we use a square box and here is a Q. Q is a brother of S and S is a father, so also box. Q and S are brothers and they have parents, and S is here, is a father of P. So S has a wife and he is a father of P. Again, sex is not specified, so he is a P. Again, let's return to our question. Which of the following shows that P is maternal uncle of Q? And P cannot be uncle of Q because P can be whether niece or nephew of Q and not vice versa. Again, we are looking for the when P is a maternal uncle of Q. And again, in our case, Q is maternal uncle of P. So the correct answer is answer C, and all the rest answers are wrong. As you see, this type of problems are easy to solve when you just follow certain steps, and of course you have to be able to build a pedigree. Without pedigree it would be very hard to solve just looking at the word problem. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.